this big box. I got it. I'm not gonna cut myself. Careful with that knife. I'm about to open it. Oh, another box? It's a box in a box. I'm already exhausted.
It's meant for you to actually take the box out of the box. Don't drop it.
Oh my God, holy hell. Y'all, it's big.
Don't drop it.
Oh, nope.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Whoa, fancy. Isn't she pretty?
I'd have to agree with that. It's a good build.
1, 2. Look how pretty it looks. Meow. Meow. I thought my freaking cute little icebox was so pretty. Fuck that. Look at this big thing. Holy hell.